Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Misconception Monday. The misconception is really that you can predict the market, or a big one, avoid the down market. You really can't. This is crystal ball stuff. It's impossible to do. You have to understand that whether it's real estate, stocks, gold, crypto, there's up and down. It's not if those things are going to crash, it's when. It's not if they're going to recover, it's when. So you just want to make sure that whatever investment you're in makes money in both the up and down markets. With real estate, we actually pray for a down market. We make more money in the down market than we do the up. Like right now in the press, 2023, they're talking about rents dropping, they're talking about values dropping, they're talking about foreclosures. Love it all, love every bit of it, because that means we're going to be able to buy property at deeply discounted prices. And it's not if those prices are going to come back up, it's when. So make sure that whatever investment you're in, you make money in both the up and down markets. That is going to require some education, it is going to require some skill, but go out and get it. It's out there. We teach our students how to make money in both the up and down markets, and you can check us out. But we're not the only source. Just get out there, learn it, and don't be afraid of the up and down market. It's unavoidable. Any worry that you have about it is wasted time, because it's gonna happen. Just remember though, just when it crashes, just wait, it's coming back up. That's Misconception Monday. Thanks for watching.